Hi everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and today let me help you how to activate your new card or the new ally card. So first up, you need to go to your website or the browser of your phone or your desktop. Now search in the card.ally.com/activate/activate, and this screen right here will be prompted to you. So it is actually pretty simple. You just need to provide your details, so your last name, your date of birth, the last four digits of your SSN, the social security number, and then your credit card number, which will be displayed on your credit card itself, and its expiration date. Then continue, and after that, you will follow the prompts, and it will easily activate your card using this website right here, and now your card will be activated and ready to use.